Everything's heavy, everything's heavy, everything's heavy, yeah, shit's real heavy. Everything's heavy, everything's heavy, everything's heavy, yeah, shit's real heavy. Everything's heavy, everything's heavy, everything's heavy, yeah, shit's real heavy. Everything's heavy, everything's heavy, everything's heavy, yeah, shit's real heavy.
What's good, YouTube? Man, it's been a minute since I done been on YouTube, dog, but I'm back. I had to take some time away, man, to kind of refocus. You know what I'm saying? I lost a lot of motivation with this YouTube stuff, man, but I had to sit back and figure out what direction I wanted to go with it, how I wanted my stuff to look, and you know, try to brainstorm on how to make it better. But I'm back. It's been a whole month, but man, a lot didn't went on in that month's time. You know what I'm saying? But on my last video, I told y'all what was going to possibly slow up the Trans Am build, which it did. And pretty much the truck had a bad lifter, so had to pretty much take everything apart on the motor. I started doing it myself, got halfway through it, and then I ended up sending it over to Rob's shop. As y'all see, had them finish it. It's back. Tomorrow in the morning we'll be doing the exhaust on it, and then sometime next week I'll be getting my tune on it. So it's not 100% done yet, but all of the parts are installed. You know what I'm saying? I went and got some 1 3/4 long tube headers for it from Texas Speed. Went with the BTR Stage 2 truck cam kit for it. Came with the LS6 springs, the cam itself, the valve seals. Then I got a DOD delete kit for it. Deleted that because, you know, that's what messed up the lifter, which, you know, if y'all don't know what DOD is, that's when basically the computer disables a certain amount of cylinders or lifters or whatever, and that's what caused my lifter to get stuck. It didn't do too much damage to my cam or anything, but I was like, you know, if I'm gonna go ahead and change the stock cam, I might as well go ahead and upgrade. So that's what we did. And can't really, I'm gonna give y'all a startup video or a startup video of the truck, but it's not really gonna sound that good because it's just running open headers right now. And like I said, I'm getting the exhaust done tomorrow. But man, it's looking good. I ain't gonna lie, I kind of like the way it sounds, open headers. It sounds a little trashy, but at the same time it's loud. It's just deep, bro. It just sounds like a huge muscular car. But you know what I'm saying, we getting that done now. Went ahead and threw some 24s on it, some of those honeycomb replicas that came off of I think they came off the Yukons or whatever. But I threw some 24s on it. I got to get one of them powder coated, so of course y'all see all that done. But trying to think of what else I did to it. I think that's pretty much it.
It's payday, fellas! I said it's fucking payday, motherfucker!
y'all need to go ahead, subscribe to the channel now. Like this video while you at it, but subscribe to the channel now and stay up to date to when I post, because within the next couple weeks, bro, it's about to get crazy on this channel. I'm telling you, we about to go crazy. That's all I'm gonna say. Y'all gotta subscribe and y'all gotta pay attention to when I drop, because it's about to be insane. We about to start doing a whole bunch of extracurricular activity. You know what I'm saying? About to be doing a lot more ride-alongs, a lot more everything. So make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, but make sure y'all hit that that run light link. Shop with the home team, man. That's my boy Mario that owns that. You know what I'm saying? That is the home brand. That's the home team. Link up with them, bro. Hit the link. Go on there. You support them. You supporting me. You know what I'm saying? So make sure y'all do that. Also, if anyone is looking to boost their credit, knock off bad, delinquent notices and all that stuff on your credit, school loans, all that stuff, make sure y'all drop down in the description below and click on Michelle Jones Pennell's name. Go to her Facebook channel, send her a message, let her know, hey, I need help with my credit. Vlogging with Trey sent me, and I promise you she'll get you right. I promise you that I would not lie to you. She's, man, cold at what she does. You know what I'm saying? So make sure y'all go do that. And once you get your credit right, come back over this way and get with my wife. She's a realtor. You know what I'm saying? She can get you in your dream home, get you a rental property, get you a vacant property that you can start using to build on. It doesn't matter. Anything that has to do with real estate, she can get you right. All right, y'all. Different day, same video. And y'all see we went and picked up the truck, got it back home. And I was supposed to take it to an exhaust shop this week, but the one that I was gonna take it to, for some reason they didn't want to answer the phone and all that, and then I was gonna take it to a different one, but it was just way too far, and I didn't want to get it towed because I tried to put it on my boy P's truck. His truck is way too hot since he didn't got it lifted, and mine just wouldn't go on the trailer. So because I didn't have a low enough trailer hitch. So it's still at home, still untuned, still don't have the exhaust on it, so I can't start it up. I can, but it's just gonna sound like trash. It doesn't have any lope to it or anything. It's just loud as hell because the long tube headers are just wide open. So I'll let y'all see it though. Y'all see I didn't put the 24s on it. These are the honeycomb reps. And 24s. This one right here, I gotta get this one re-powder coated. Got some curb rash to it. They ain't brand new, they used, but they'll do the trick. Get it powder coated, and it'll look good as new. But we got motors complete. I didn't record any of the tear down process just because it was just, for one, I just didn't feel like propping the camera up, moving it. It was just a lot going on. I needed somebody to hold the camera, and I didn't have that, so I just did it all myself. I got it torn all the way down to pretty much almost a short block. Got the heads put off, all the front accessories, intake, all that stuff. Wire harness was off, everything, literally. And I couldn't get the oil pan, or no, it wasn't the oil pan, it was the oil pump bolt that goes to the pickup tube. I couldn't get that out without it being on a lift or something, because just crawling up under there, it didn't do it. And this is a 4-wheel drive car, so my transfer case was in the way too, and I wasn't about to drop that. I just took it to my boy Rob's shop. He finished it, him and his team. They got it done in like 2 days. Put a brand new radiator on it. Let me see, yeah, brand new radiator up in there, because I broke it. These little bolts right here, there's 1, 2, there's another one at the bottom, I think, and then there's like 2 over there or something. But pretty much I took them out the wrong way and ended up messing it up, so I had to get another radiator. So it's got a brand new radiator. The long tube headers are on there. Y'all see them Texas Speed ones. Those are 1 3/4 inches. Put brand new motor mounts on it. Y'all see it down there. I did a DOD delete with the BTR DOD kit, DOD delete kit. Then I put the BTR stage 2 truck cam in it, LS6 springs. What else did I do? Valve seals. My heads got cleaned up. ARP head bolts, ARP header bolts. Nothing too serious, honestly. I just wanted to wake it up a little bit. I'm gonna end up buying a new coder intake though. I'm gonna probably buy the rough country one. It's only like 150 bucks, and you know, it ain't too crazy. I ain't trying to do nothing crazy with this truck. I just wanted it to gain a little bit of horsepower, sound a little bit better, and you know, look a little better with these 24s on it. I still gotta buy. I'm gonna end up buying some brand new headlight housings, the ones that are all blacked out in the back, and put some brand new LEDs in it, because for some reason both of my headlights went out. I don't know why. My fog lights still work, but both of my headlight bulbs just went out. That shit is weird. But I'm gonna end up deleting all this chrome shit too, debadging the whole thing, taking off the side moldings, taking off those door handle covers and getting them all repainted and stuff, and probably tint out the tail lights. I don't know if I'm gonna get this back bumper wrapped or painted. Hopefully I can find one of those like 2015 and up ones with the little step in the bumper, because those are dope. Probably get the hood, or not the hood, but the roof wrapped black or painted, one of the two. Probably get the third brake light. God damn, look at all that water. Damn. It's all that rain we been having. Then if anybody want to buy these C5 wheels, I'm not going to be using them. I was going to use them to use as like donut wheels, just to burn up the cheap tires, so I ain't got to keep buying them 315s for my vet wheels. But I don't like them. I need some different ones. I need some black ones or something. But for anybody that want them, hit my DM or something. I'll sell them cheap, just to get them going. They all got good tires. I got all 4 of them. But I think that's pretty much it with the truck. You know, it slowed up my Trans Am build a lot, but you know, it is what it is. The Trans Am will still get done. I'm actually about to take it back to Rap Shot. I know I told y'all that earlier in the video, but yeah, man. Still got to plug up my O2 sensors. And then, oh yeah, that's what I got. I don't know if I showed y'all or not, but I got the Flowmaster Super 44 I'm gonna put in there. If anybody needs some head gaskets, I got these too. I got one right here, and then I got an LS9 one down there. I don't know why both of the LS9 ones didn't fit, but Rob and them said on one head, I think it was my driver's side one, he said that the gasket didn't line up right. I don't know what he's talking about, but that's what came with the kit on the website, so that's what I got. But if anybody needs some head gaskets, I'll set in for cheap. I've got another LS3 Valley cover. If anybody needs it, I'll sell that for cheap. And that's pretty much it, bro. But I'm about to get up in here, finish packing, because I'm about to take a little trip. And if I was y'all, I would subscribe to the channel, because this trip is about to be crazy. About to do a lot of different stuff. I ain't about to say too much. I just gotta wait for real. So make sure y'all go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, like the video right now, subscribe to the channel right now. I see my baby mulatto. Oh yeah, I ended up getting her a fender. I finally found one. Only thing I need to do now is either get that bent back in place or get another one made or something, but I'll get that soon. Them wheels is about to come off. I don't like them wheels, bro. I don't like them wheels at all. But I'm gonna put some SS Rally wheels on there, and probably get her a motor soon. For some reason, I'm more excited about this car than any of them. Like, it's to the point now where I'm ready to just stop messing with the Charge or the TA. But I'm gonna finish it. That's gonna be my fun car. But that thing looks so crispy with them black wheels on there. That thing was stupid crispy. I need to get a leveling kit for it too. But hopefully sometime next week I'll be able to get the exhaust done. Finally get my tune. I was supposed to get my tune done today at Just Tune. Had to cancel that because no exhaust shop wants to touch my truck because I'm not gonna run catalytic converters. So I don't know, I gotta find a shop that'll do it, that'll keep it on the hush. But yeah, like I said, man, like, comment, subscribe to the channel, click the post notification bell, because you're gonna want to do that, because it's about to get a little crazy in these next couple vlogs. So yeah, man, I'll see y'all in the next one.